little tour.
This is where the guest artist will be. This is displayed by James and Steven. And then we come here, and all of Pauline's art will be on this wall. And then all the activities will be on this wall.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, this is gonna be so fun.
Yeah, and then we have to work on that wall later, and that wall is gonna be the worst.
I'm scared.
And then I made Pauline this shirt. I need to tape it down. I made her a webtoon. What is it?
Smoked salmon on homemade bellini.
Mmm. I'm moving.
What's up?
Let me get this.
Oh, yeah. Wait, is he polishing the lights?
Huh?
Hello, welcome to Pauline Exhibition.
Surprise!
Okay, so we're gonna go off. I'm gonna do it like the order that was like the least popular ones, the most popular. This will end with some exciting moments, I guess. The things that are gonna go on auction are, let's see. Is this your first time playing?
Wow. I like this one.
Speaking to you?
We're going to the snow.
Me and G
Are doing snow stuff outside. Huh. Oh. We're making snowballs.
Snow
and-
bears, snow ducks, and
Yeah, we're
snow
making an
hearts.
army of ducks. That heart is really good.
ta-da, a duck.
look at him. He's so dirty looking. I'm waiting for Jiying to get her scar. Oh, I see Jiying. She's running.
Should I go like...
You look like you're gonna capture him. Oh, he's so cute.
August!
I didn't do anything.
Eating hot pot, cracking a cold one.
Well, so you want both to fry up. She's doing yeah.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
It's snowing.
I'm making a snowman.
Oh.
Jing's making a bunny. Jing's trying to take pictures.
No, I'm recording.
Oh, I turned it off.
Actually, I want to take a video of this.
It's snowing.
I don't have eyebrows.
Go.
Playing Uno. Uno. And the cards are
right now.
Chikawa Uno.
Shit don't got red. Whatever. You didn't got yellow.
Oh, they're arguing. Oh my. Hannah just threw up. I'm dead. We're literally on the side of the road and Hannah just threw up.
And then James is in the bathroom.
Oh, it's hairy? Is this not filling?
No. Don't breathe when you eat it. Ah, you're
She's flavoring
spilling all over
that.
the... Is it good?
That's a crazy image, by the way.
Dude, buddy face like that, can I know? Can I see?
No, I don't think you'll find us. No, but after he told me the context and then he showed me the image, it was.
Why is he crying?
I can't see.
Whoa, like there's actually tears.
Wait, actually, I saw it fall from his eye and hit the table. Where? Why are you crying?
Blue is so funny. I see Blue like open his back and close. It's just aggressively like running.
Yeah, it's Jennifer playing a monkey game.
I never.
Thank y'all. Shout out to James Fan, the GOAT. Thank you to Dian, the GOAT.
Where'd Jen go?
She's in the bathroom.
Shout out to Jen. She's extra GOAT because she housed us for a week.
Oh, true.
Alright, I just want to give a special shout out to Jennifer Lai over here. The fact that she took me in without knowing me, she barely knew me.
I know you guys.
And she took me in.
Where the past goes by. Too hard.
I avoided the selfish pain, it was worth it every time.
You want the piece of me I wish I didn't need. Why are you my
Yo, shout out to Min Chao and Annie, they love the song.
If our love is tragedy, why are you my remedy?
If our love's insanity, why are you my clarity?
Oh.
See that girl, watch that scene, secret the dancing queen. And when you get the chance,
Who are you, boo?
you are the dancing